I used to make pizza. I make pizza. What is the difference? Okay, I used to make pizza means a few years ago I was making pizza. At present, I am not making. Okay, used to plus infinitive verb. Okay, infinitive verb means a verb that takes before to. Okay, suppose used to plus get. Okay, get take to, use it to bring, use it to make, like this. Okay, format of this. Use it to is used to make, to talk about things in the past that are no longer true. Okay, look here, I am Siri, consider this example. Okay, what Shiri was doing a few years ago, she was working in a school. Okay, at present what she is doing, she is working in YouTube. Okay, at the time what Shiri is saying, suppose if anybody are asking what are you doing, Siri means she can reply like this: I work in a YouTube, I used to work in a school. Okay, Siri used to work in a school, now she works in a YouTube. Okay, Siri used to work in a school means she worked in a school before, but she doesn't work there now. Okay, here this is the time reference, this is the past action, and this is the present action. Okay, used to can be used for the past actions only. She used to work, she used to make, she used to bring, like this. Okay, you can make any sentence. Okay, means here we can use present. Okay, present what we are doing. Okay, one more example, I used to make very long hair. Okay, a few years ago I have long hair, at present I have short hair. Okay, here how can you frame sentence? Okay, I, you, we, they, he, she, it, all are pronouns. You can use it. I used to work, I used to have, I used to play, we used to work, like this. Okay, to frame sentence formation. Okay, here example, when I was a child I used to like chocolate. Okay, when I was a child I like chocolates, but now I don't like chocolates. Sai used to have piano, but he sold it a few years ago. Means a few years ago Sai have piano, but now he doesn't have piano. Next, how you frame negative sentences? Didn't use it to, didn't use it to. Okay, here when I was a child I didn't used to like tomatoes. Okay, like this. How can you ask a question? Did you see, did you used to, like this. Okay, where did you used to live before you came here, like this. Okay, generally format is used to frame a question. You can place did here. Okay, if you want replace here, you can place anything. I, we, did you, did she, did he, like this. Did she used to. Okay, like this. Next, we use used to only for fast. You cannot say I used to. Okay, means for example, I used to play tennis, these days I play golf. Okay, generally here most of the people they say I use to play tennis. If you say like this, it is wrong. Okay, I used to play tennis, you should say. Okay, I used to play tennis means a few years ago you was playing tennis. At present you are not playing tennis, you are playing golf. Okay, next, he used to be a taxi driver, now he is a hairdresser. Okay, means few years ago he is a taxi driver, at present he is a hairdresser. He used to wear glasses, he never wear glasses now, means few years ago he was wearing glasses, at present he doesn't wear glasses. Thank you.